Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to present the program or the system that will focus on the least frequently used. But before I proceed to running the program, I will first explain the functions of each codes that I already imported in the Java programming language. So in the system out print code in here in this code, this will be responsible in inputting the number of the frames. And this code is the one who is responsible in inputting the reference strings. So this code is the one who customizes the new line. And this one is to read the reference string. So to perform the least frequently used, this is responsible in the page replacement. So this fault plus plus is if the page in the frame is fault. So in the code, if page that size often enclosed, this one is uh, if there is a space in the frame, it will add the page. So these codes are, if the frames are full, it will find the least frequently used page and replace it. So this code is responsible for that. And if the process is a hit, so this code will uh, hit the process. And to update the frequency of the page, this code is responsible. And for the output, the current states of the frame, this code is already doing the process. So to add delay or wait for the user to input to the next or to proceed to the next process, this code is responsible for that. And to find the page with the minimum frequency in frame, this code is will responsible for that process. So this time, we are going to run the system if this is functional or if this system will follow the instruction that is given in the codes. But before that, I will just explain what is least frequently used all about. So when we say least frequently used, it refers to the algorithm or the strategy used in the cost management. This is to prioritize the retaining data that is accessed infrequently. So this kind of approach is aims to optimize memory usage by evicting or replacing the data that hasn't been accessed recently or frequently. So this is to ensure that the most of the used data will remain readily accessible by employing this method. So this system can enhance the performance by maximizing the utilization of cache memory for storing frequently accessed information. So this time we are going to run or to test if the system is functional or working. So first thing we are going to do is we need to enter the number of the page frame. So we have already given the page frame, which is 3. And after the reference string, which it is stated that we need to separate the numbers by space. Because if we're not going to separate the number by space, automatically the system will read all the numbers as one process. So that is the reason why we need to separate the number with space for us to achieve or to get the best or to get the correct process. This time we are going to input 701, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 2. So this is the given reference string. Next, we are going to press the enter button. So after we press the enter button, there will be a instruction that is saying that we have a page frame of 7 and the font is 1 with 0 hit and 0.0 hit ratio. So next is we're going to press. So this time, the page frame will be the 7 and 0 or the 0 and 7. We have a number of 2 faults and 0 hit with a 0.0 hit ratio. Is the page frame is now 1, 0, and 7 with the fault of 3 number with the number 3 fault and with a 0 hit and 0.0 hit ratio. Next is as what you observe, the number 7 is already fault or removed in the frame. Because the given frame is only 3, so it means it could accommodate only 3 numbers in one frame. So that is the reason why naalis na po yung number 7. So next is, we have the page of 0, 2, 1, and 0 in the frame. So with the fault of 4, with the hit of 1. So nag-hit po siya ng 1 because there is an available 0 already. So yung 0 po naging po siyang index na, meron na po siyang index na 2. So, yung 2 at saka 1, meron na po siyang index 1, dalawa. So, that is the reason why nakalis yung 7 kanina kasi lahat ng mga uh, number strings have already one index. So, kung sino man yung nasa baba or kung the first in will be the first out. Or kung sino man yung pinakamababa na index, siya yung maaalis sa loob ng frame. So, kanina, napansin nyo yung 7 na-remove siya sa frames. So, because lahat sila mayroon na one index, kaya lang siya yung naunang prinatos kanila, kaya siya yung unang lumabas. So, this one, nag-hit tayo. Ibig sabihin ng hit, yung enter natin, mayroong available na number sa frame. So, yung 2, yung 0 ngayon, meron siyang index of 2, yung 1, index of 1, saka yung 2, index of 1. So, next is, after the page frame, meron na naman tayong 3, 2, at saka 0 with index 2. So, kaya naalis kanina yung index 1, it is because siya yung pinaka-near sa index 0, kaya hindi siya maalis kaya siya yung unang natanggal kasi siya lang yung index niya. So, siya yung nasa sumunod sa 0. So, meron tayo ngayon 5 fault at saka 1 hit. At tapos yung hit ratio natin is meron na tayong 0.16. So next is, nag-hit na naman tayo dito because we are going na naman to enter the 0. in the frame. So since there's already 0 existing in the frame, so yung 0 natin ngayon, naging index 3 na. So, si 1 ay si 2, may index 1, si 3, may index 1. So, si 0 is may index 3 na po siya. So, with the heat of 2, and with the heat ratio of 0.2857. So, next is, meron tayong fault na 6. Yung sa page frame is natanggal na po yung 2 kasi siya yung pinakanili sa index 0. So, mababa din siya at siya yung naunang nag-process kaya siya yung naunang natanggal para mapasok si reference string number 4. So, ibig sabihin si 0 mayroon na tayong index 3 at saka si 1 ay si 3 may index 1 at saka si 4 may index 1. So, we have a hit ratio of 0.25. So, next is, nag-hit na naman tayo. Meron na tayong 3 hits. When the page frame has 0, 3, 4, 3, and 0. So, yung nakapasok na number po is since there is a 0 inside the frame. So, si 0, mayroon na siyang index na 4. At saka si 3 index 1. Si 4 may index 1. So, we have a hit ratio of 0.33. So, the next process, nag-hit na naman tayo, meron na tayong 4 hits. So, ibig sabihin, there is also, the one that we are process is 0, string 0. So, meron namang available na 0. So, si index 0, si 0, meron na siyang index 4. So, si 3 may index 1, si 4 may index 1. So, we have the hit ratio of 0.4. Okay, nag-hit again. Meron na tayong 5 hits. So, sa fault, meron na tayong 6. So, this time, the page frame is still had the number 4, 3, and 0. So, this time, yung in-input natin or yung process natin is yung number 3. Since there is an available number 3 in the frame, so ngayon si 3 magkakaroon na siya ng index 2 at saka si 4 na index 1 na. So, the 0 has index 4, 3 index 2, and then si 4 may index 1. So, we have a total hit rate of 0.45. So, in the next process, nakatawa po si 4 sa page frame. So, napalitan na siya ni 2. So, this time, naalis na siya because 4 has only one index. So, siya yung pinakamababang index sa dalawang number at saka siya yung near sa 3 na may index 2 at saka sumunod si 0 na may index 5. So, the total hit ratio is 0.41 with the number hit of 5 and the fault is 7. So, this will end our process. So, as what you observe in the process, tinatanggal niya yung mga mababang index at natitira na lamang yung mga matataas na index. Kaya natira si 1, si 2 na may index 1 kasi siya yung nasa huling process ng ating system. At kung you observe, siya yung nasa dulo ng reference string natin. So, here is the output of the yung sample. So, sa first process natin, in-input natin si string 7 with automatically had index 1. In the next process, nag-fault tayo ng 0. So, nakapasok na si 0. Ito na, mayroon na tayong 0 at 7 with 1, 1, and next. So, the next is, pinasok natin si 1. So, nakapasok na si 1. We have a similar index. Lahat sila puro 1. So, sa next process, in-input na naman natin yung number of strings. So, as what you observe, naalis dito si 7. Bakit? Kasi si 7 yung nasa baba at saka they have the same index number. So, next is, dito tayo nag-hit because pinasok natin si string 0. Kaya nag-hit siya, kaya pag-hit niya, si 0 naging 2 ang index, si 1 maintain pa rin at saka si 2 na mayroong isang 1 index. Nag-fault na naman tayo. Pag-fault natin, pinasok natin si 3 and then na-remove si 1. Because si 1 ay near sa 0 that has index 2, kaya siya yung naang eliminate sa frame natin. So, this one is nag-hit. Pagpasok natin kay 3, nag-hit siya. Ay, kay 0 rather. Pagpasok natin sa 0, nag-hit na naman siya. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-hit, since meron na tayong available 0 sa frame, so yung 0 naging 3 na yung string, at yung index niya, at saka si 3 at saka 1 may meron isang index. So, that is, we input string 4, string number 4. So, as what you observe, na-remove natin si 1, as what I said earlier, kung sino yung pinaka-close baba siya yung mauunang ma-eliminate. Since si 2 ay may only 1 index, same siya ni 3, so since siya yung closer sa 0 na may index 3, siya yung na-eliminate. So, nakapasok si 4, nag-fault tayo dito, meron na tayong 4, 1, 3, 4, 3, 0 rather, na may index 1, 1 at saka 3 sa frame natin. So, again, nag-process naman tayo, papasukin na natin si 0. Since mayroong 0 na available, so nag-hit siya. So, pag-hit niya, si 0 mayroon ng index 4. Si 3 at saka si 4, they only have 1 index each. So, papasukin naman natin si string number 3. So, si string number 3, since there is an available string number 3 in the page frame, so, nag-hit siya dito, ibig sabihin, si 3, meron na siyang index 2, at saka si 4, meron ng index 1. So, si 0 maintain pa rin, meron siyang pa rin index 4. So, papapasukin na naman natin si 0 sa loob ng frame. So, pagpasok ni 0 sa loob ng frame, nag-hit na naman yung process natin. Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-hit, 0, magiging 5 yung index niya. Kanina 4, pagpasok ni 0, naging 5 na. So, si 3, 2 pa rin. Si 4, mayroon ng 1 index. So, this time, papapasukin natin si 2 sa loob ng ating page frame. So, pagpasok nito sa loob ng page frame, since ito lang naman yung ma-accommodate ng frame natin, definitely, si 4 has an index 1 will be removed in the frame. So, mapapalitan siya ni index 2 kasi hindi natin maaanin si 3 at 0 because they have 3 has 2 index and 0 has 5 index. So, naalis si 4, nakapasok si 2 that 1 index, in 3, 2 index, 5, 0 has 5 index. So, these are the output of the LFU. So, the least frequently used. Ito yung process natin kanina na ginawa natin ng system. So, kapag end na yung system, definitely wala na siyang ipaprocess. Ibig sabihin, it will end here the process of our system. So, again, we have the page frame of 2, 3, and 0 that has 2, 1 index, and 3 has 2 index, and 0 has 5 index. And we have fault of 7 with the hit number of 5, and the hit ratio is 0.416. So, that will be all for my presentation about the least frequently used. Thank you so much. I hope sensya naman kasi parang yung recording ko po, kasi hindi ko po alam kung anong nangyari sa OBS na recording ko po.